What we want to demonstrate here is a system that has multiple decks of coils. I've got a coil down here that you can see we got our UV lights, and then a coil up top that has UV lights. And the way the placement of the door switches are, once again, is in series to turn all the lights off at one time. Just for testing purposes, we're going to let you see what it looks like when these lights are on. Down there at the bottom, you can see them on, and I don't know if you can, and up here at the top, you can see them on. Ready? All right. On systems like this, basically you just crawl right in and you to pull the lamps out, put them back in. So the large end, what we call walk-in systems, are systems that have plenty of room to reach all the lamps. That's what these kind of systems look like. All right, remember, this video is for training purposes. What we have these doors open right now is what is not supposed to be done during any type of maintenance, filter changing or any other type of maintenance. The documenting of the UV is for instructional purposes only, so that you'll see what they look like with the lights coming on. But these doors are always closed when this unit's running, and whenever you need to do any maintenance, ensure that you turn off the main disconnect. Filter chamber. Once again, these filters can be easily taken in and taken out without any exposure whatsoever to UV, which is at the other chamber. So UVC does not affect the filter changeout in these type units. Thank you.